When considering the purchase of a professional range, there are a lot of options in terms of the cooktop layout. You can get all burners, burners and a grill, burners and a griddle, burners in both, plus much more. In this video, we'll help explain the advantages and disadvantages of grills and griddles. I'll cook a variety of different foods to show the temperature range and versatility. For the griddle, you have the ability to set a high temperature for searing meat. You can use a medium temperature to cook things like the quesadilla and the French toast, or a low temperature for delicate things like eggs, or just to keep things warm. We were able to cook the quesadillas at a medium temperature that allowed me to toast the outside and also melt the cheese on the inside. We cooked the French toast at a medium-low temperature, and this was ideal because I was able to caramelize the outside, but also set the egg custard on the inside without overcooking it. The fat in the bacon cooked evenly because we had the same temperature across the entire surface of the griddle, unlike in a pan. The eggs were slightly overcooked because we cooked them alongside the bacon. They would have benefited from a lower temperature. We were able to cook the griddle corn cakes at a medium-high temperature, and because we weren't limited to the size, I was able to cook several of them at the same time. This is ideal when you're cooking for large groups or entertaining. With this indoor grill, we only have one temperature setting, but it also has a diffuser plate which actually gives you 3 different temperature cooking zones. The shrimp was marinated and then skewered and cooked on the medium temperature zone, which is towards the bottom of the grill. I was able to cook them in a matter of minutes and achieved a great char on all sides. The veggies cooked extremely well on the indoor grill because they didn't produce a lot of smoke. I cooked a variety of different vegetables such as zucchini, eggplant, peppers, onions, carrots, and avocado. The bread was rubbed with a little bit of olive oil and then grilled in the lower temperature zone, which was towards the top of the grill. It achieved good char without burning. The lean tenderloins were seared in the middle of the grill, which had the highest temperature. This allowed us to get a nice sear on both sides, and then I brought the tenderloins down to the lower section, which had the medium temperature, and this allowed the tenderloins to cook all the way through. In terms of deciding the layout of your professional range, it really comes down to your personal cooking style and ability to have ventilation. If you aren't quite sure if you want one of these additions to your professional range, you can always go for the all-burner option and then add an accessory of a grill pan or a griddle pan. If you want to learn more about grills, griddles, and professional ranges, click the link at the end of this video for our free pro cooking buying guide.